let's read the passage and try to summarize. To dye wool, Navajo weaver Lily Taylor uses plants and vegetables from Arizona, where she lives. Okay. For example, she achieved the deep reds and browns featured in her 2003 rug in the Path of the Four Seasons by using Arizona dock roots, drying and grinding them before mixing the powder with water to create a dye bath to intensify the appearance of certain colors. Taylor also sometimes mixes in clay obtained from nearby soil. Okay, so basically it talks about this weaver, Lily Taylor, who uses these things. First thing she uses is dock roots, Arizona dock roots. Then she grinds the powder, mixes them with water to create color, a dye that you use to color your clothes. And to intensify the color of, so to intensify certain colors, she also mixes clay obtained from nearby soil. Okay, clay. Okay, so there we can then summarize the passage to say that Taylor uses natural products, okay, or like natural material to create her dyes. Okay, so that's the summary of the passage that we just read. All right, now let's look at the options. All right, A says reds and browns are not commonly featured in most of Taylor's rugs. Let's look at the passage again. So she's saying, for example, she achieved the deep reds and browns featured in her 2000 rug in the Path of the Four Seasons. So it is clear from the passage that she does use red color. Okay, and she has used red color. So that means A is it's incorrect. Now, B says, in the Path of Four Seasons is widely acclaimed for its many colors and innovative weaving techniques. All right. We don't get to really see the weaving techniques from the passage. The passage that just talks about the dyes that she uses. So we don't think B is correct either. Okay. Let's cross them out. So A is incorrect, B is also incorrect. Let's look at C. Taylor draws on local resources in the approach she uses to dye wool. Yes. Okay. So this is the best answer because the passage, as I told you, focuses on the idea that the artist or weaver Lily Taylor uses natural resources such as plants and roots and vegetables from where she lives. That is Arizona, okay, to make dyes for clothes. So C seems like the correct option. All right, D. Let's just eliminate all the choices. Taylor finds it difficult to locate Arizona dock root in the desert. This is not correct because we already know that she uses Arizona dock roots as as a dye. Okay, so D is again incorrect. Okay, all right.